Now we're going to take a look at the sine law, and sine law is a way of using trigonometry when you don't have a right angle. So for example, if we have a triangle that looks like this, okay, you'll notice that none of the angles are right angles. So what's important here is that in this triangle, none of the angles are right angles and all of the angles are less than 90 degrees. Okay, that's an important thing that we're going to talk about. In order to be able to use the sine law, you have to always label the triangle correctly. So you're going to have angle A, angle B, and angle C. What's really important to be aware of is that it doesn't matter what the angles are called, you can always rename the angles of the triangle. So the angles are always labeled with capital letters, and the side opposite the angle, okay, is the same letter, lowercase. So if angle B, the side across from angle B, is lowercase b. For angle C, the side across from angle C is lowercase c. In order to be able to use the sine law, you must have what we call a side angle pairing. So remember, our sine law is A over sine A, and you'll notice I'm using capital letters and lowercase letters. Okay, so sine A is equal, the ratio of A divided by sine A is equal to the ratio of side length B divided by sine of B, which is equal to the ratio of side length C divided by sine C. Okay? In order to use the sine law, you must have a complete ratio, which means that either you have all of A divided by sine A, or B divided by sine B, or C and sine C. Okay, you must have a complete side angle pairing. So in this particular example, you need to have an angle and an opposite pair. Okay, we'll call this angle X and side length X. You must have both of them. Okay, if you don't have both of them, you cannot use sine law. Okay, you need to have at least one complete ratio. Okay, and that's really important for this part of the trig review.